Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just come back to pick up something, some tableware. I'm gonna show you if anything new in store. If not, I'm gonna show you the inbox. As always, I have to take a selfie picture at this happy place. However, my friend is even happier today. She got offered something she really loves. We left store so happy because I also got something I wanted, just not a bag though. Let me share with you what my friend got that day when we were shopping together.
Let's see if you like it. You got a good one? I can't tell behind the mask.
It's so soft. It's so soft. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
She's gonna sleep with it tonight.
Excuse me one second. Let me just check on her one.
Okay.
God. Oh, I'm so happy.
Wow. Yeah. Đẹp á. Cái màu này nó so neutral. Wow. How this size looks on her? She is 5'1" for your reference. My friend is so happy to be offered this bag as her first bag ever from Hermes. This Kelly bag is in size 32. It is in toggle leather with gold hardware, and the color is seal, like sky blue, very soft tone. Although this Kelly is in size 32, it doesn't look much bigger than my Birkin in size 30. I must try the Kelly on me too. What do you think about the size? Although it is size 32, it still looks good because it is in return style. Now it's time for some twirlies. There are so many to choose from. On that day, the SA told us that the price of all silk products will be increased soon. By the time this video uploaded, the price already increased. She likes the one on the right. I think the one on the left looks better. So the SA has to try it on the handle so my friend can have better idea.
For example, this is what you're going to see with that.
And the shoe got my attention. My friend opened it up so we can take a look. Chị mở này ra giùm coi thử chị cái hình gì. Oh, it is so pretty,
Oh, that's so cute.
but it is just not for me. Yeah, it's a new design. My Birkin feels so lonely because no sister bag coming home today. And of course, we have to take some selfie before leaving the store. As long as I have something to take home, I'm happy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I love to have you join my Facebook and Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and lifestyle. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Bye bye.